Now this is the router table that I've been making this past weekend. It's made out of pretty much scraps I had laying around. Plywood, 2x4s, and a little bit of oak. I did have to buy a router for it, which is down there. And the top, which is actually just a piece of dry erase board. The fence can be put anywhere. It is a split fence, and everything can be locked down. The split fence here can be locked down with these knobs, and the fence position can be locked in place with those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Kind of split that up a little bit. Actually, I'll set the camera down and put it where I want it, run a piece of wood through it.